Today, we will review an executive report on 𝗕𝗘𝗫 Intelligence. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 is a promising startup focused on gene therapy intelligence in rare diseases like Stargardt disease. The company was recently featured in a recent research report highlighting its platform strategy and valuation potential. Let's dive in. Before we begin, if you want to stay up to date on the latest in AI, data, and the tech industry, make sure to hit subscribe to get notified on our latest videos. Also, we have a newsletter that covers the most important news and trends in artificial intelligence. So make sure to check that out as well. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Number 1. Product Value Proposition. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 is a SaaS-based intelligence platform that curates real-time high-resolution clinical trial and pipeline data specific to gene therapy. The platform enables biotech and pharma teams to track over 2,600 gene therapy assets across modalities, delivery vectors, indications, and mutation-specific targets. Especially critical in rare disease contexts like Stargardt disease, 𝗕𝗘𝗫 delivers strategic value by reducing false positives in asset evaluation, empowering earlier go, no-go decisions in clinical and business development, enhancing benchmarking through mutation-level and vector-specific insights. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 functions as a picks and shovels enabler of gene therapy research and development, analogous to Tempus in oncology or Flatiron in real-world evidence. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 is uniquely positioned for platform-scale adoption. Number 2. Market niche and landscape evolution. The gene therapy industry is increasingly pivoting toward platform-based development models where a validated vector, e.g., AAV or lentiviral, is used across multiple rare indications. Regulatory agencies like the FDA are becoming more willing to consider cross-program data for approval, leading to accelerated timelines. Sarepta Therapeutics offers a precedent its approval of 𝗕𝗘𝗫𝗧, an AAV-based gene therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, validated its broader AAV delivery platform. That approval enabled further confidence across its neuromuscular pipeline. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 aligns with this model by acting as the intelligence layer. It helps track how platforms evolve across programs. It facilitates signal detection earlier in development and supports real-time clinical strategy decisions. In a gene therapy market increasingly driven by modular development, 𝗕𝗘𝗫 enables more efficient planning, competitive benchmarking, and real-time vector-specific trial optimization. 3. Competitive landscape. Compared to generalist clinical trial databases and SaaS platforms, 𝗕𝗘𝗫's strength lies in its modality specificity and early-stage intelligence. Key comparisons. 𝗕𝗘𝗫𝗧 offers broad but generic trial data limited in gene therapy vectors or mutation-level resolution. 𝗕𝗘𝗫𝗧 focused more on approved therapies and drug summaries, not early trials or vector design. Global data, strong in pipeline summaries but lacks detailed intelligence on delivery modality, mutation targeting, or administration route. 𝗕𝗘𝗫's unique value proposition focus on gene therapy and emerging modalities. Deep tracking of submodality level features, vector type, mutation target, trial phase, real-time API-based updates, and integrations into client systems. 𝗕𝗘𝗫 fills a critical information gap at the vector and mutation intersection in early-stage trials, the highest risk zone in gene therapy development. Number 4. Market access strategy. 𝗕𝗘𝗫's market access strategy mirrors infrastructure software models used by companies like Flatiron or Veeva, direct enterprise licensing to biotech and pharmaceutical clients, particularly R&D, clinical and business development teams. API-based integration for embedding real-time trial intelligence directly into internal dashboards. Modular expansion from one therapeutic area, e.g., ophthalmology, into adjacent areas like neurology, muscular dystrophies, hematology. The go-to-market strategy is designed to scale horizontally as clients expand their use of the platform across teams and indications. In effect, 𝗕𝗘𝗫 evolves from a tool into a core operating system for gene therapy portfolio decisions. 5. Financial valuation, base case, platform expansion, and CVRs. Revenue forecast. Beacon's base case annual recurring revenue our projection begins at $18 million in 2025 and grows to $55 million by 2029. However, under a Sarepta-style platform commercialization strategy, this revenue could expand significantly due to reuse across multiple disease areas. In that model, ARR could grow to $70 million by 2029. This reflects deeper penetration into client portfolios and broader modular rollouts, valuation without CVRs. Assuming a terminal ARR of $55 million in 2029 and applying a conservative 12 revenue multiple, the base case terminal value is approximately $660 million. Discounted back to 2025 using a 10% rate, the net present value NPV is around $410 million. Valuation with platform expansion. Under the platform scenario aligned with Sarepta's model, ARR could reach $70 million in 2029. This drives an exit value of $840 million and a discounted 2025 NPV of approximately $510 million and a uplift of $100 million over the base case. Contingent Value Rights CVRs. Beacon's exit valuation could include contingent value rights CVRs tied to milestone achievements such as adoption across is greater than or equal to 3 therapeutic modules e.g. retina, CNS, muscle. Enterprise-wide licensing by is greater than or equal to 3 top 10 pharma companies. Cited usage in successful FDA filings or pivotal trials. CVRs could trigger post-deal payouts or earnouts valued at $50 million to $120 million, depending on the scenario. Using a probability-weighted model, the expected CVR value adds approximately $66 million to the NPV. Combined risk-adjusted valuation. 2025, combining the base NPV for $110 million. Platform approval uplift $100 million and CVRs $66 million. Beacon's 2025 fully risk-adjusted valuation would be approximately $576 million or more. Number 6. IPO or M&A readiness. Beacon is pre-IPO but may pursue a public listing or M&A exit between 2026 and 2028. Possible acquirers include Clarivate, IQVIA, or strategic software infrastructure players in the healthcare space. IPO valuation scenario. If IPO, Beacon could trade at 10 to 15 forward R by 2027. ARR under the platform model could reach $40 million, supporting a public valuation of $420 to $630 million. CVRs could still be included as warrant-like instruments or embedded in acquisition terms for strategic buyers, especially in pharma SaaS, where milestone-based payments are common. Number 7. Commercialization catalysts. Key upcoming catalysts for Beacon's revenue and valuation growth include readouts from phase 1/2 trials in Stargardt disease using AAV vectors, expansion of gene therapy platform reuse across multiple indications, increased regulatory acceptance of platform-level clinical data, reducing the need for redundant trials, API adoption across additional biotech portfolios, CVR milestones such as FDA citation, 3-module usage, or $50 million plus client are milestones. Each of these directly contributes to platform value and probability of triggering CVR-linked payouts. And strategic summary. Beacon Intelligence is uniquely positioned to become the real-time data operating system for gene therapy development. Its deep modular architecture and early-stage focus make it a strategic asset for companies building multi-indication pipelines in rare and emerging conditions. As regulatory frameworks evolve to reward platform consistency and R&D efficiency, Beacon's intelligence becomes more valuable over time. When combining the benefits of a Sarepta-like platform approval model and contingent value rights, Beacon's 2025 valuation could reach $576 million or more, with significant strategic upside. We hope you enjoyed this report on Beacon Intelligence. Please let us know what you think in the comments below. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing more insightful content in the future. Thanks for watching.